What's up, guys? Welcome back. Here's what we got in today. We got 4 brake lights. Pretty sick. As you can see, you got other boxes here. Got this one as well. This comes with the blue ghost module, all the wiring. Then let's see what we got here. Side markers. Alright. And more wires. As you guys, I don't know if you guys seen the other video when we installed the tail lights, but we had to remove the whole bumper and everything, and I'm gonna get everything ready. Once I get everything ready, I'll get back to you shortly. Alright guys, so we took the bumper off. That looks so as you guys see, we're gonna end up replacing the 4th brake light with that. And came to notice, we got the reflectors as well. This one is gonna go here, or where's the other side? This one goes here. We got them smoke black, and then side marker, instead of red, it's gonna be black. Really excited to install these parts. So we gotta transfer this one over here. Alright, so we know all this for the wiring, so we're gonna pass all this down and let's take the car. So most of you guys, all this wire, I'm gonna run it through here, through this little hole. That hole right here. So there's a bunch of wiring. I'm gonna separate everything just to make sure we don't get confused. Put that on the side. And this one, so basically, this one with the pins, black wires to the DLR. So it's this one. And then green wires to brake, red wires to reverse, and blue wires to turn signal. So we need to find the main harness for the turn signals and the brake and everything to connect this. This side, each side of the 3 pins, is the plug-in of the lights. So I'm guessing the rear tail lights. So if you have your aftermarket those tail lights, so we gotta look for the connection of that. Hopefully I don't have to unplug everything. So because I had an aftermarket, the F1 4th brake light, I had to do this little harness thing. So I know this is the main harness for my tail light. So one is the turn signal, one is the brake light. I'm gonna open this. So I'm guessing for this side, I'm gonna have to look for this light. It might be this one. So I'll open this. So after opening everything, these wires, you got a blue and green wire, you got a purple and white wire, and then you got a brown wire. Blue and green wire, that's your brake light. Purple and white wire is your running light signal. We know the green wire, this green wire is brake. So we're just gonna clamp this one in there. So the purple wire is gonna connect the black wire, because the purple wire is the running light. So basically the green wire connects to the green wire, the black wire will connect to the purple wire, and then you're gonna have these 4 wires. So basically the blue wire is for your turn signals, That's if you want your turn signals to blink while you're turning. Will be connected to the green wire. And then the red wire, that's for your reverse light. So it connects to the bottom wire of the connection. And then if you have the Blue Ghost adapters, it's gonna be this small wire. So I connect it to here. So this will run in the bottom. So it's all this wiring. And then for this side, you got this blue wire that could connect to your green wire if you want. Like I said, that's for your turn signals if you want to connect them. I'm still debating if I should or shouldn't. And basically everything's plug and play. Now that we got that settled in, we got it here, the fourth brake light, turn signal. So now I'm gonna connect all this to the bumper. This clips off, and then we gotta take this one off. This one doesn't have clips, it's like a double-sided tape. So for this one, I'm gonna push these clips down. Because right here you see the wire and this to go through here that is not gonna fit, so we gotta trim it a little bit on the side. So we're gonna do that. This is what we gotta trim, just a little bit right here. We trimmed it a little bit, as you can see right there. Hopefully that's enough space. Let's put this wire through. I gotta trim it a little bit more. Let's see. Sticking out too much. Gotta trim it more. I gotta take this off. Get a little razor blade. Now we just gotta clean it. Alright, we're gonna install this. After cleaning it with alcohol, just gotta make sure the right side before we just put it on. Alright, after installing the lights, this is the other ones. Our brake light is on there. Now we're just gonna put it back in the car. So we're just gonna tape all this back so it could be nice and shut. We'll just get black tape. When you receive this one with all these colorful things, it says like 4 wires. Basically, the blue one, it's only for turn signals. If you want it to turn when you're turning, it blinks. And then that will be connected with the green one. I didn't put it at this time, maybe later I will. I want to try it like this first. So, and then when you have the red wire connects to the fourth brake light, but it connects to this one, the Blue Ghost. So it's the black wire, because you get this extra adapter. This one just, this extra wire doesn't do anything anymore. And then when you get these, one is for the turn signal and the other one's for the bumper light, and then this one is going to be for the fourth brake light. So that's where your fourth brake light connects. That's why you get this extra extension cord. And then on this side, same thing, just connects to the bumper lights. And then this blue wire, if you want to connect it, it'll be connected right here to the green one, the green wire for your turn signals. So I'm gonna tuck that inside. And yeah, let's connect the bumper.